Well, hey, beautiful family, and if you're new, thanks so much for stopping in. You're so appreciated. Well, I did a quick run through with Shop With Me at HomeGoods. I went there to pick up one item, a paper towel holder, but guys, I did bring my gimbal just in case I was going to record. It was so crowded in there, I wasn't able to really use it, so it's a little choppy, and it's not a long haul, but actually, I did get a few items that I will show at the end of the video. So for now, I'm just going to go ahead and let the music play, and you can enjoy the items and the pricing, and I will come back at the end and show you what I picked up. Thanks so much again for showing up today. You're so appreciated, and I'll see you on the other side.
Why don't we say that it's too late for us now? Why do we stay when I blame you for the things that weigh me down? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her. She who wants to study your body, who gets the better version of you. I need the better, better truth. I need the better version of you. I need the better version of you. I need the better, better you. You talk about faith. Is it just something you say? Or is it the same with that girl you texted when I look away? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her. She who wants to study your body, who gets the better version of you. I need the bitter, bitter truth. I need the better version of you. Oh, I need, oh, I need. I need the better version of you. Oh, I need, oh, I need. I need the better, better you. She who wants to study your body, who gets the better version of you. I leave the TV on, I'm done with your sad eyes. I can take another night with you on like this. So let's go, I'm sure you can take it. You've been crying over him for a lifetime. So if you don't mind, we will dance till it's way past late. Another course that we can fly with the baseline. I know, I know, I know, I know. Boys be He's a vagabond, he won't love you better. I can watch you sinking down on the battleship. So count to 10, then again, Mississippi. You've been crying over him for a lifetime. So if you don't mind, we will dance till it's way past sleep. Another closet we can fly with the baseline. I know, I know, I know, I know. Boys be boys, ain't no excuse, babe. Now hey you, oh hey you. I know you can find someone better. Oh hey you, oh hey you.
So guys, thanks so much for waiting to the end. Of course, I did pick up the paper towel holder. It's the one the hubby picked out. And I also picked up these really pretty teacups. They're like 2 little sets. I was looking for 4 of them. I love the edging on it, how it's scalloped edge. It's so beautiful, and it has a little butterfly on the inside, the mariposa. And also, I love the colors. It looks so different from all of the other ones, and I like to find unique items. Even if I am shopping in, you know, a store like HomeGoods, you can still find really unique items in there. And I love them. I did go to TJ Maxx to try to find some more on the way home, but unfortunately I could not find any more, and the other HomeGoods was too far away. But I was able to get 2, so I'm really happy about that. And I have no tea items except for 1 cup that was given to me as a gift from my daughter, and I keep it really carefully, so I don't want to use it too much. I also picked up another one of these green bunnies. My husband said, oh my goodness, not another green bunny. But the other one I had, I can't find it. I think it got lost when I moved. And I like the gingham print, and you guys know that are subscribers, I love gingham print. So he's gonna hop on over there. I still love him. I also picked up a beautiful tea tray with that beautiful scallop to the edge. It's gorgeous. It looks like something that's an heirloom that you would find. It was only $12.99, guys. And it's that beautiful pierced tray. I love this look. I know it looks like a throwback. I think I was watching too much of Bridgerton on Netflix or something, because it gives me that feel of like Regency period. But I just love the way it looks. And I love that that pattern that it has. It's just amazing and gorgeous. So I picked that up also. And yeah, this will be perfect for anytime I'm just having a good, like, you know, tea by myself or visitors. I also picked up another one of these. I know this has been around forever, but mine's got damaged, and I had one from my godmother, so I had to pick that up. And I am going to cherish it and take better care of it this time. So I like her, and the hubby said it matches perfectly. So yeah, every Easter you need a few bunnies around. Also, I picked up this gorgeous 3-tier tray. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful cake stand tier tray. It is gorgeous. As you can see, it matches perfectly, and it's so beautiful. Now, it looks a little drab on camera. I don't know why, but the colors are very vibrant and very pretty, and I'm so happy with the items I picked up. So guys, I hope you like this quick little run through HomeGoods, and thanks for watching to the end, and thanks so much for just, you know, being here for me, supporting me. I appreciate you guys so much. Thanks so much. Have a great day, and I will see you in the next video.